Axon, correct. This is a neuron, correct? This is the axon. Actually, this is the start of the axon. And here you can see this is a multipolar neuron. So there are dendrites. What are these processes? Are the dendrites, right? And this is the axon. Starting of the axon is a little dilated, and that's called the axon hillock. And this is a continuation of the axon. Okay. So here inside the axon, you can see there are some darkish areas. These are the nissl bodies. This is what you saw in here. That's the nissl bodies here. And inside here you have the nucleus. So you have the nucleus, nissl bodies, you have mitochondria, all those things here, but we're not seeing it. And this is the dendrite. What is this coming here and attaching here? That's another nerve. So this is it's an axons, neurons, they connect with other nerves. So this is another nerve coming and attaching to the cell body here. This is another nerve coming and attaching to the axon. The dendrite. So this is a dendrite, and there will be nerves coming and attaching to the axon. So there are, it's always a lot of communication. So that covers, and this part is called the soma, neurosoma, or soma, just soma, cell body. Okay, if you write cell body, soma, or neurosoma, I'll give you marks. Okay, so this part is going to be continuing down, and that's what you see here. Okay, so what you see here is the axon, which is going down. The axon is covered by these cells called the Schwann cells. So this is called, these are the Schwann cells, which you see here. So that's a Schwann cell. And the outer layer of the Schwann cell is called neurolemma. Neurolemma, this is a neurolemma. And then you have a rough something which is covering, that is the endoneurium. This is the rough thing is the endoneurium. This is the neurolemma. This is the Schwann cells. And the inside is the axons. And what is this here? Node of Ranvier. So that's where, so you can see this Schwann cell has produced a lot of myelin. So there's a lot, this is a myelinated nerve. And over here, there's an area where the myelin is missing. So this area here where the myelin is missing is called the node of Ranvier. Why do we need myelin? Insulation is one purpose, but more important than insulation, it increases the speed of conduction. Nerve impulses are conducted very fast, and especially if you have nodes of Ranvier, it jumps from one node to the next node. So action potential will come here, and instead of going all the way here along the nerve, actually it's going the other way around, because this is the cut end, so it's going like this. So instead of the action potential going from one point to the other, it will jump from one node of Ranvier to the next node of Ranvier. So it covers a lot of distances. So that's how it increases the speed of conduction. Okay, and that's what you want. When you want to react fast, if you're playing pickleball or whatever, you want a fast reflex, right? So nerves should conduct impulses very fast, okay, as fast as possible. All right, so that's it.